Yeah, I'm making a little bit of adjustment on my watch list, replacing Hecla Mining. I still own it and still have an option written against it. I'll explain that in a minute. I still own the GSS also, but I'm taking that off the watch list now, and it looks like it wants to hold up. But after studying some of the momentum, some of the performance on these stocks, I've made a little bit different choices because I was kind of over diversified a little bit. So you check out the 15 that I'm watching now. I'm changing my the metals plays to SLW, and I'm sticking with BULM. And also that's about the only EGI, which is another mining company. And I'm sticking with SOL. I had a stop loss put in there at the 545 level, so I got stopped out 2 days ago, which is good because it pulled back quite a bit. So today BULM gave a definite buy signal. It's called a reversal, almost a bullish engulfing pattern on the candlestick charts. So BULM, I just barely bought it like 1 minute before the market closed. So I couldn't get a video out on it to come and look at these charts. So let's see. So the only ones I own now, I got rid of DBA. It's just a little too slow for me. I replaced that with SEED, SEED. I think that's the best agricultural play, or one of them anyway. And see, I added LTUM, and I wanted to add one short position and kind of build it up because I don't believe the market's going to last forever, and it's always good to put some profit in a short position. So that short position right now is SH. It's unleveraged, so it won't have a tendency to grind you downward, and it's a little bit of protection against a catastrophic failure in the market. So I'll be shuttling any profit into the short position as the market moves up. So anyway, I think that's a good balance. So right now the only thing I'm in is Hecla Mining and GSS, and I've removed those from the watch list. When I trade those, I'll let you know. And the only buy that happened today was BULM, and Sol was actually I didn't get into checking that out to get out of that. So I set a stop loss. I forgot to mention the stop loss. I'm a little rusty at the flow of this, but I'm getting the swing of it again. It'll just take a couple of days to kind of get back into this. But with Hecla Mining, it's kind of a case study because kind of teach you how to use options to hedge any position you might own. So I bought the June $6 calls for $1.45, and I sold. It looked like it broke trend, so I sold the February $7 strike price for 20 cents. So I'm down about I don't even know. I think I'm down about 30 cents on the option. The $1.45 has dropped to $1.15, so I lost 30 cents there. But I still have that $7 call worth 20 cents. It's only worth 15 now. So on the third Friday of February, that 20 cents will be realized gain, and will help erase any loss in the June call that I have. It's called a calendar spread. So as I go, if Hecla Mining decides to just move sideways for a while, I could just keep selling the out of the money calls and regain almost the entire $1.45 I spent. The only thing that would change that is if Hecla Mining pulled back significantly. I would have to have more and more money in my account to cover the sales that I had, because it turns into an automatic bear call spread, and you would need some money to cover any liability on losing the trade. In case I went bearish on the stock and it turned up positive, there would be a controlled loss, but that amount of money would have to be held in my account to cover any loss like that. I'm still not negative on the stock. It looks like it might be rolling over. I'm going to be paying more attention to the MACD, which is more of a supply and demand line. When the blue crosses above the red, its demand is rising above supply. Right now it's below the red. I shouldn't even be in the stock. I should be very negative on the stock. And the relative strength has moved below 50, which means I should not be a covered call play here. But I'm just going to let this ride and show you that over time, any losses you have can be almost eradicated with using the options. So I'm going to stay in Hecla Mining for a while, and we'll go on and we'll see how using the options. even if the stock dropped. But I do have an option till June. Normally you just want to own the stock because that never expires, or at least own the calls that are at least a year out. So you control the stock for a year. You got to give yourself some time. You got to give the stock some time to recover and move up and down. So anyway, that's about it. I didn't really have time to read anything or pass along any other articles. There was one video that was, I don't know if I sent it. I forgot it in my email. It's about how the population growth is changing. I'm going to see if I can find that link and I'll post it. If you don't see it, well, actually, I'm going to find it before I even post this, so it should be up there. It's about how the world is, how the demographics are changing in the world, and it's not very settling. So it's very unsettling. So anyway, check that out. And we'll keep watching Hecla Mining. BULM. Look at that chart. It had a candlestick chart. It moved down and then it moved right back up on heavy volume. Looked like a reversal. So we'll check that out. And we're just watching the dollar kind of recover here. So we're kind of keeping our powder dry and staying out of the oils and the Brazil and the bonds and even the euro right now. Just kind of trying to see what the hell's going on here. Trying to get into the rhythm of it. It takes a little while, but I'll do it. So anyway, that's it. I'll be doing when I get a better camera here pretty soon. I'll have a blackboard or something like that, and I'll try to explain options a little bit better, because it really is a cool way to sell. You want to be a net short of options, definitely, because then, like in Hecla Mining, that 20 cents is mine, and all that has to happen is time just has to progress. So the stock doesn't have to perform for me. I just have to have time pass, and you know, my money is on time continuing to pass. So on the third Friday of February, that 20 cents will be mine. And then the cool thing is I can just turn around. If Hecla Mining has dropped any significant way, I can just sell the March $6 calls and take in more money there. So anyway, we'll see how it rolls over time, and we'll see how it ends up at the end of the year with Hecla Mining. So anyway, that's it. Look for the link. I'll find it and put it up there.